Happy Sunday, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We are in cruise countdown. We leave today to head to our cruise, and hopefully next week's vlog we will have some cruise footage for you guys. But let's get started with this week's video. All right.
Look at those big old birds. Bop, bop. Bop, bop. Banana. And then there's a blackberry. And there's Oreo. We got lemon and brownie right there. And then Smokey and Bandit.
When's the last time you cleaned this? It's gonna get cleaned tomorrow. Okay.
There's our babies. Yep. There's our youngins. They all pretty. Banana. What are you doing?
I want to pick her up. She's the fluffiest.
Okay.
She's the softest one. She also has like
This
a
is...
Look how big our banana has gotten. That one's Oreo, just clucking. She is the funniest one to watch. Run. Right, Banana? You telling me all about it? My grandma likes to make fun of me running.
I can get it.
Right.
Run again if you'd like.
No. She's like, no, it's too cold.
Look at all these birds trying to jump down. Come on. We need to get a ramp on this side. Yeah. Brownie is beautiful. Look at all those different colors. It's kind of like a blackish green hint to her. This is where they stayed sheltered during Hurricane Ian. Right, birds?
There goes the banana. Run, birdies. What are you gonna do, grand chickies?
There goes another one. Look at them all run. That was the cutest thing. Now come over here and see if they run. Lemon's following you. Look at them all follow her. Oh my god, this is so stinking cute. Now you gotta give them a treat. Give them some food.
Okay. You guys want corn now? That's the reason that they follow me. I'll walk down. They've got a little into my hand.
That is cute.
Lemon! Brownie!
Our two odd ones. So if you ever want to come over and feed our chickens, you definitely can. They act like they haven't eaten.
Yeah.
Cheese and crackers. So Becky has some protection for her little chickens in case someone tries to come and hurt them. She's got her little, show off the little BB gun you got.
It's pink.
Yes. As of right now, nothing has been harmed. Look at them right here too. Mama. Look at them. I could just sit here all day watching them. They're so stinking cute. Like watching them run. They have this whole half of the yard to themselves. It's actually fall time now. Look at my beautiful babe. Aren't you beautiful? It's me, guys. Well, this is what our little garden section looks like. The chickens took over it. Plus the weather. On and off. Since Hurricane Ian, it's pretty much died. We'll clean it out and get it ready for springtime. What do you say, Chloe? Yeah? Yeah? Nothing? When it gets dark out, I will show you guys our decor that we have outside. We got quite a few blow-ups, quite a bit of lights that we acquired, and we figured to show you guys. And then when we get back, we decide we're gonna throw Jalen a little birthday party. She will be at her mom's house on her actual birthday. So instead of making her wait a couple of weeks for us to celebrate her birthday, we figured we'll just do it when we get back from the cruise when we have them. That's also going to be Halloween weekend. They're gonna go trick-or-treating. All of that fun stuff. Today is a cool front day. It was a nice crisp 54 degrees this morning. Yeah, we are packing for our cruise. You have to buy a certain kind of sunscreen. It's like protectant for reefs where it doesn't harm anything in the water. That stuff ain't cheap. I have to buy sunscreen because your girl burns. She's got fair skin and she burns no matter what. I bought Colleen Hoover's newest book. Oh my god, I forgot what it's called. It's a sequel, I believe. I'm gonna read again. I've been on a hiatus of reading. I told you guys in the last vlog, or vlog before, I'm totally, dang. Totally been, I don't even remember what books I told you guys that I had. It's a sequel to one of the Colleen Hoover books that I got. It ends with us, it begins with us. I don't know. I said I was going to start Love is on the Brain or Love is the Brain. I don't know. But I'm going to take a couple of Colleen Hoover books with me. Because the first day of our cruise we were at sea. I know there's probably quite a bit of stuff we can do. But we're doing just yet. I just figured I'd rather be prepared. We decided, as we're buying some last minute cruise gear off of Amazon, we realized that we wanted to put some Tennessee decals onto our vehicle. Well, only one. And Danny gave me the option to pick it out. But of course we had to come to an agreement on it too. So let me show you guys the decal that I picked out. I think it's adorable. And Danny agreed on it. Here is our latest decal. It's a little smoky. Now we can represent the volunteers anytime we're driving now.
Hi, you.
Hi, so how we do?
Not good.
Becca's doing great,
I just ran into the wall while I'm inked.
But here is the house Oh, lit up. We even got a little cat on the roof. Little banana on top of the coop. Alright guys, that is it with our video for this week. We hope you guys enjoyed our updates and our Halloween decor. Crazy how our chickens are growing up so fast. Let me turn around and show you guys them right now. We got banana and blackberry on top of the chicken coop right now. Yep. And then Danny and I leave in a couple hours to head over to the other coast so we can go cruising tomorrow. Bye guys.